a medley of Kannada and Telugu songs and a bit of Tamil as well. There's Water Karavad and the Dabba song, there's Chutu Chutu, there are a lot of cute songs and it's a good mix. Saima has always been synonymous with grandeur, so that is something I want you all to expect. Yeah.
Micromax Saima 2015 like இப்போ நம்ம கூட இருக்கிறது Pranitha and she looks gorgeous today and இன்னைக்கு வந்து தமிழ் awards. ஸோ நீங்கள் நடித்த மாஸ் படத்துக்கு அப்புறம் தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ் வந்து உங்களை இன்னும் வரவேற்றிருக்காங்க, இன்னும் லவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஸோ what do you have to say about being a part of Tamil industry?
Tamil industry is so beautiful. Even though I've just done 2 films, the fans, especially Dubai and Malaysia, they go gaga. So I really like that. So romba pidikum, and also my songs from what I performed, Tamil songs kuda irukku. So definitely it's going to get aired on Sun TV as well because Puchandi and Nana Valele.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
సో మలేషియా మొత్తం చూసారా?
ఇంకా లేదు.
పర్ఫామ్ చేస్తున్నారు కదా, సో ప్రాక్టీస్డ్ వెళ్ళా?
I think so.
చాలా అందంగా కనిపించారు అండ్ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యూ.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Saima Awards కి రెడ్ కార్పెట్ లో ఉన్నారు Pranitha. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good. Okay, Pranitha, ఎలా ఉంది దుబాయ్లో Saima Awards కి రావడం? ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది?
Very, very happy and it's on such a grand scale. So I'm expecting a very good night today.
Okay, that's nice. మరి ఇలా ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి Saima Awardsలో ఫస్ట్ టైం రావడం మీకు ఇలా ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది? అంటే ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒక అవార్డ్ ఫంక్షన్కి రావడం అనే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎలా ఉందంటారు?
ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను కన్నడకి బెస్ట్ యాక్టర్ నామినేషన్ ఉన్నాను. సో లెట్స్ సీ, కీపింగ్ ఫింగర్స్ క్రాస్డ్. సో దట్స్ మై మోస్ట్ I'm looking forward to it. Yeah.
A better life, a better world అంటారు. So what is the change you want to make for a better life and a better world?
I don't know, do good films is what I can do to make the world a better place.
So you want to do good films. So మా కోసం రాసి అక్కడ అతికిస్తారా ప్లీజ్?
askme.com ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟಿ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರಿಟೀಸ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ಪ್ರಣೀತಾಗೆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ರೋಲ್ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಂತ?
ಅಷ್ಟು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ರೋಲ್ ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೈಥೊಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇಷ್ಟ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಯೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್.
ಸೊ ಪ್ರಣೀತಾ ಹೇಗೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ Saima?
ತುಂಬ ಎಕ್ಸೈಟೆಡ್. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ನೋ Saima ಒಂದು ಅಬ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು.
Okay.
ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐಮ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಗೇನ್.
All right. So which is your favorite destination?
ಆ ಥರ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್?
ಅರೌಂಡ್ ದ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಐ ಲವ್ US, ಲಂಡನ್, ಪ್ಯಾರಿಸ್ ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ನೋಡೋಣ.
But actually if you observe, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ citizens, everybody are so fair and flawless. So it goes with you. You have a flawless skin. So what do you think, ಬಿಸಿಲಿಂದ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾಕೆ ಕಪ್ಪಗಾಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೂ. ಇನ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅವ್ರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಯಾರು ಜನನೇ ಕಾಣಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಸಿಲಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಳಗಡೆನೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಬುರ್ಕ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ಗೆ.
ಇವತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮತ್ತು ತೆಲುಗು Saima ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ, ಮೇನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದು ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ಮತ್ತು ತಮಿಳ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ಸ್?
ಇವತ್ತೇ ನಾನು ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಮಲಯಾಳಂ ನಾನು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ತುಂಬ ದಿವಸ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವಾಗ ಒನ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಥರ್ವ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೈ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ತೆಲುಗು ಕನ್ನಡನೇ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ತಮಿಳ್ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಯಾವ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮೋತ್ಸವಂ ಸಿನಿಮಾಯಿಂದ ಅಧರ ಮಧುರಂ, ಮಹೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಫಿಲ್ಮಿಂದ. ಅಂದರೆ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಅದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈ ಓನ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದೇ ನನ್ನ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಇರೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಜಾಗ್ವಾರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗರೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್, ನಾನು ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಆ ಸಾಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪವರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ವೈ 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 ವೈ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಸ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಸೊ ಐ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಟ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ತಮನ್ನಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ದೇವಿಯಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಭುದೇವ ಟೈಪ್.
on Pantaloon Saima 2018 red carpet. I think we have an angel, but we all recognize her. Hi, Pranita.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very good. How are you?
I'm good.
I think you're looking lovely like an angel, I must say. Do you want to tell us about your outfit?
Yeah, it's Shriya's song. And it's called The Summer of Love, if I'm not wrong.
Oh, that's so pretty. That's so nice. Okay, so tell us, you're back for Saima, this time in Dubai. Today we have the Telugu and the Kannada Awards happening. Lots of exciting things for you, right?
Yeah, and I'm performing.
That's something that we're all super duper excited about. Can you tell us a little bit about your performance?
So it's a medley of songs. It's a Vatekarava Dabba song. There's this Kannada song called Dabba song, which has really caught on to the Bombay dancers. And they're always singing Dabba, Dabba, Dabba. And the meaning of Dabba in Kannada means Dabba. मतलब अच्छा नहीं है जो
Waste.
yeah, जो waste है. That's but Dabba song they've written like, and these people love it. They keep singing Dabba, Dabba, Dabba. I'm like, dude.
Did you go explain it to them?
Yeah, I was like, they're like, it's okay, it's still nice.
I think it all becomes nice when Pranita's dancing to it, right? But are you a little nervous considering your performance is going to happen in a while?
Very, very nervous because always that, because you never know what will happen on stage. When everybody's watching you.
Of course. And now everybody is watching you live. Is there something you want to tell them?
I just want to tell you all to keep supporting me and loving me and I hope you guys like my act.
Of course they will. And I think Saima is always so wonderful because it brings all the four industries together on an international platform, right? And you're someone who works in so many languages. How is an award function like this for you?
It's obviously lovely to be here and amongst all you lovely people. And yeah, so it's really nice to get to meet everybody once again every year, especially the winners and everything. It's fun.
Okay, that's nice. So you're here in Dubai. So how has that been? Are you enjoying your time in Dubai?
Yeah, Dubai is beautiful. It's hot, yet it's like, it's really nice.
Okay, Ran, have you been to Dubai before? Any fond memories that you'd like to share with us or anything you love about Dubai?
This is my second time to Dubai in this year. So technically I feel twice or thrice a year because there was Prabhu Deva's show this year in Dubai. It was one of my most memorable experiences because I had a very beautiful Vanilla Way duet with Prabhu Deva sir with an aerial act and all that. It was mad. Like I just won't forget that for the rest of my life. So and I feel like that was like a benchmark. Like Prabhu Deva ke samne, Prabhu Deva ke saath, you danced. And then after that, I think everything else just like you can do anything. It's a piece of
Cake. This must be a piece of cake. But how was that moment like right before you went on stage? Okay, you must have rehearsed for it. You must have gotten prepared. But right before you go on stage, because we've heard that he's very particular about his rehearsals. Yeah.
He's very strict and we had insane number of rehearsals and the fact that I'm not even a dancer. So there's so much pressure. But then I think it's a transformation of how I entered the industry being a non-dancer. And with every show, with every movie, I just go one step closer to being a dancer.
Oh, that's so sweet. So how was that moment right before you got on stage with Prabhu Deva? Did you pray to all the gods or how was that?
I don't think my mind was shut. I was like, next step, acha, iske baad what? We're always doing this. Acha, this, then you go there, then somebody's telling you, you throw your jacket this side, not that side, and then which side, and then so yeah, that happened today also. Somebody was like, yeah.
Okay, but what was that one thing that you probably learned from Prabhu Master? Yeah, after working so close with him.
That age is just a number. And he dances like a dream at any age. I danced to 2 tracks in the whole show. And there were other actors as well. Okay. He danced to 8 acts. And with 2 acts, I'm like, I've done a lot of work. 2 months, I'm going to just take rest, go to the spa. And he was like, he was just having fun.
Oh, that's so nice. Thank you, Pranita. It's always such a pleasure talking to you. Hope you have a wonderful Saima and you're looking lovely.
Thank you. Oh, I thought you came here. Sorry. And it's also going live.
That's no problem. Thank you so much.